Everything you're looking at right now. My face, my voice, even the way my lips are moving. None of it was filmed. There was no camera, no microphone recording me on screen. This entire talking clip was generated with AI. So, how did I make it? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Anna, your AI avatar, built entirely inside ComfyUI. Welcome to part 3 of how to generate an AI avatar. In part 1, we created the face. In part 2, we created the voice. And today, we're finally bringing them together. By the end of this video, we'll take one reference image and one cloned voice clip and turn them into a talking AI avatar like this. For this demo, I'm using the voice clip where I said, "We finally made it! Thank you for believing in us!" Now we need to make the avatar actually say it. For that, we're using Wan Video InfiniteTalk. Under the hood, it uses a massive 14 billion parameter video model to generate the movement. I've put the workflow download link in the description. Download it, drag the workflow into ComfyUI, install the missing models and custom nodes if needed, and you're ready. Now, let's break down what's actually happening. First, we have the load image node. This brings in the reference photo of our avatar. Simple. Next is load audio. This brings in the cloned voice clip we want the avatar to speak. But we don't send that audio directly into the video model. First, we clean it. The audio passes through a vocal separator. This helps isolate the voice from background music and other unwanted audio. And that matters because we want the avatar's mouth movements to follow the voice. Once we have that cleaner voice signal, it goes into the next stage. This converts the audio into information the model can use to control facial and lip movement. In simple terms, it tells the system when the mouth should move and how it should move. Now we have our two key ingredients, the face and the movement information from the voice. Next, the workflow loads the main Wan video model. Then image-to-video multi-talk brings everything together. It takes our reference image and combines it with the audio-driven information to prepare the talking avatar generation. And then we reach the part that does most of the heavy lifting. The sampler. This is where the video is actually generated. Frame by frame by frame. That's also why this process can take a while. Once all the frames are generated, the video combine node takes them, adds the original audio, and turns everything into one finished talking video. So the entire pipeline is basically face, voice, audio processing, lip movement, video generation, and finally, the finished talking avatar. Before we hit run, there are two settings you really need to understand. First, resolution. Higher resolution can give you more detail, but it also means more processing time and more VRAM. For this example, I'm using 720p. It gives me a good balance between quality and generation time. Second, and this one is very easy to get wrong, the number of frames. Your frame count needs to be long enough to cover the entire audio clip. If you set this number too low, your generated video can end before the voice does. All right, everything is ready. Let's hit run. As the workflow runs, each node highlights as it completes its job. This can take a while, so let me fast forward to the final output. Hooray! And there it is! We finally made it! Thank you for believing in us! For the first time in this series, my AI-generated face and my AI-generated voice are moving together. No camera, no traditional filming, just an image, a voice clip, and an AI workflow. But we're not finished yet. You may have noticed the background music playing throughout this video. That's AI-generated too. And in part 4, I'll show you how I created it from a simple text prompt using stable audio. So subscribe if you want to build the complete AI avatar workflow with me. And if you're following this series, let me know in the comments how far you've gotten with your own avatar. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in part 4.